What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys been out there building shit. Using your own two God-given hands, taking on new projects, building, fixing, creating, doing art, whatever it might be. Find your blessings, find your skill sets, pass them on to this world, guys. You like hearing that kind of message? Hit like and subscribe. So today, I'm going to be driving that Isuzu box truck. It's like a 1990-ish Isuzu box truck. I'm going to be driving that somewhere because I put the box up for sale. And to make some money back to buy a cab to swap onto the Isuzu frame. So we got a cool Isuzu rat rod build going. So if you want to see that, hit like and subscribe too. But let's hit the road, guys. Get you guys a little bit of footage driving this truck. It's still got the box on it. She don't drive too bad. We're cruising 65, coming up onto a hill. She's a bouncy truck though. I think it needs tires and, you know, maybe a little bit of steering stuff, whatnot. The cab was all rusted out. I riveted in floorboards and made it usable so that we could move. But I only got $1,500 into this truck. I'm gonna sell the box today for $750. If I would have removed it, I would have charged more. You know, if I would have cut a lot of stuff. But this guy, he's supposed to have a forklift, supposed to have a cutting torch. So we'll see how it works out. But yeah, I threw $30 into the tank to make the drive. It's about a half an hour each way. That's not exactly, you know, pleasant. I'm not going to say that I got everything valid on this truck and legal, so, you know, it is just kind of a project. We used it to move and whatnot. It's not really a work truck, but, yeah. Well, slowed down to 60. Still climbing the hill, doing pretty good, honestly. Especially for a box, but it is empty. It's not like there's a load in the box, but the box does a lot of wind drag, you know. Should just stay right there at 60 the whole time. Alrighty guys, I'll get back to you later. On the way home now, guys. I'm cresting the top of a hill and I'm still pulling 65 without that box on. My first time running a bobtail rig like this, you know, with no bed on it or whatever. I've never done it before. Not that it's anything special, I'm just talking. Alrighty guys, it is a lot bouncier though, I'll say that. Got more power, you know, cause less weight and less wind resistance. Anyways, alrighty guys. Get back at you. Keep building shit. Absolutely amazing to me. I stayed in 4th gear all the way up the hill, maintaining speed with no box on it. This little truck's, it's like a sports car. Yeah. Alrighty guys, made it home. Now to find a rat rod cab to throw on here. I've been thinking about a wagon, some sort of old school, like a Nomad or some sort of station wagon, an old Ford ranch wagon, something. Leave the duals, have them stick them out, but I haven't really decided yet. So maybe give me some comments down below, guys. Give me some information, give me some feedback. What kind of cab should I throw on here, guys? Alrighty, till next time, keep building shit.